Hi everyone, Tofata here from Losika Writes and welcome to another video. So I have just made a video introducing my coloring books and there is 3 of them. Kitita Hokwala, Kwamuraiking, and Kaitata, which means I love myself. They cater for anyone who wants to color, who wants to learn how to write. This one is a I'm learning to write book. This is I love myself, so positive Setswana affirmations. And at the farm, animals that you'll find at the farm, and produce and all that stuff. And fun mazes, connect the dots, word finder, just a great activity books. A book for you and your little one to learn Setswana. So they're all coloring books, as you can see. They're all black and white and ready to accept any color that you will introduce to them. Why coloring books? So our first batch at Losika Writes of books were hard board books that were to cater for little people and messy hands. So Kwamuraiking and Kwanaching our original board books. But I thought to venture into the coloring book space because I felt like as my kids grow up, this is where we're at. So I have a little one who's learning how to write. So that was more front of mind. And I have a teenager who's also going through this phase where he's learning to, appreciate the differences between him and his classmates and his colleagues. And this is a self-love book to embrace his culture and his origins and to just embrace who he is. So coloring book with positive Setswana affirmations. Yep. Why coloring book? Why coloring book? Well, spending time with yourself is critical. Setswana culture is usually one that would transfer history via oration, so storytelling. And it's only recently that books have started being written. But they tend to be written in very formal Setswana, which growing up or having my kids grow up in the diaspora, that is a challenge to just try and teach them Setswana, let alone learn formal Setswana. So I'm trying to get Setswana to be young and hip. To be young and hip, and also for them to know conversational Setswana as a stepping stone to them just learning about their culture and their heritage and hopefully learning to embrace who they are, because that's a struggle when you're growing up in the diaspora as a chocolate person. But I digress. Why coloring books? So coloring books allow you hands-on experience of making it personal. There is no perfect. You embrace the imperfect. There's no right way to color. There's no wrong way to do it. So embracing that aspect is kind of where we're at as well. Teaching my kids to learn to love themselves and to color outside the lines and embrace it. So that they also embrace hand-eye coordination. So my littlest one is in this phase of learning how to write. And the more he spends with a pencil between his fingers, the better his hand-eye coordination as well, which is great. For adults, they also enhance focus and concentration, which allows you to escape, a form of escapism. We live in a very terrible world if we are being realistic about it. We have a lot that is not unicorns and rainbows, and that in itself can be demoralizing. So I'm hoping that with these, you are able to have some form of escapism and you are able to then reap the benefits of lower stress levels, low cortisol rise, more mindfulness, more stress relief, and all those things. Now, there are other benefits of coloring books, like improved sleep. Research, before I say that, I'm a medical professional when I'm not doing this, and research indicates that coloring books reduce stress, improve sleep, and improve mindfulness. They reduce anxiety. So there are other health benefits to coloring. And these ones, being bilingual, also allow you to learn the language, to embrace the language. So yes! So I hope you guys get to have some of these in your hands. The links to the Amazon storefront will be below for you to get these for yourself and your little people in your lives. And I hope you guys get to enjoy them. I certainly had fun curating them for you guys, and looking forward to seeing you with your coloring book. And yeah, thanks again. Hosiame.